Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Experience music like never before with the wearable Bluetooth speaker, your personal portable sound companion. This clip-on wireless speaker is small yet powerful, designed with a waterproof body so you can enjoy your favorite tunes anywhere, from outdoor adventures to your daily workout. The built-in magnetic back lets you attach it easily to your clothes, backpack, or even gym equipment, while the integrated LED light adds a cool vibe for night activities. Enjoy crystal clear audio, hands-free calls with its built-in mic, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity for a truly wireless experience. Lightweight, durable, and stylish, this mini speaker delivers big sound wherever you go. Check it out now and take your music with you, anytime, anywhere. Discover the MI Owlab 200X phone microscope, a powerful portable tool that turns your smartphone into a mini science lab. With its CPL lens, LED, and UV light, you can capture crystal clear close-up details of tiny objects anytime. Its universal clamp fits any iPhone or Android, making it perfect for exploring nature, inspecting jewelry, or studying micro details wherever you go. Introducing the Divoom Times Frame, a stunning 10.1-inch digital picture frame that's so much more than just a display. With its transparent IPS screen, vibrant RGB LED rotary knob, and sleek smart design, it brings both technology and art to your space. Powered by a smart Linux OS and Wi-Fi connectivity, it features over 400 customizable clock faces, 50+ live API feeds for weather, social media, or crypto updates, and a massive 64 gigabytes of storage for your favorite photos and videos. Whether you use it as a creative desk gadget, smart home display, or a unique gift, the Divoom Times Frame adds style, function, and personality to any setup. Experience the future of digital art and smart display in one elegant frame. Meet the Deluxe Wireless Bluetooth Travel Mouse, the perfect blend of portability, performance, and comfort for work or travel. This innovative 2-in-1 sliding design lets you switch between modes effortlessly, offering a smooth, quiet click experience that's ideal for office, study, or late-night use. With dual connectivity options, 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.2, you can connect to laptops, tablets, or smartphones with ease. Its high-precision sensor offers up to 4,000 dpi for accurate tracking on any surface, while the slim, foldable body makes it easy to slip into your bag or pocket. Plus, it's equipped with a long-lasting, rechargeable battery for hours of uninterrupted productivity. The Deluxe Travel Mouse, sleek, smart, and built for life on the go. Introducing the Park Vision Handlebar Bike Mirror, the ultimate upgrade for every cyclist's safety and visibility. This innovative rear-view camera features a 4.3-inch HD 1080p monitor with an anti-glare sunshade, giving you a crystal-clear view of what's behind you even under bright sunlight. With a 120-degree wide-angle lens, you'll never miss a thing on busy roads or winding mountain trails. Powered by a long-lasting 8,000 mAh battery, it's perfect for long rides without worrying about recharging. Whether you ride a mountain bike, e-bike, or road bike, the Park Vision mirror camera ensures a safer and smarter ride every time. Check it out through the link below and level up your cycling experience today. Stay cool anywhere with the AI Portable Rechargeable Fan, your ultimate hands-free cooling companion. This compact yet powerful fan delivers an incredible 6,600 RPM airflow with 4 adjustable speed settings, keeping you refreshed even on the hottest days. Designed for comfort and convenience, you can wear it around your waist, hang it on your neck, or clip it to your belt. Perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, or tough job site conditions. with a massive battery that lasts up to 25 hours, is built to keep you cool all day long. Lightweight, durable, and ultra-efficient. The AI Portable Fan is your go-to gadget for staying comfortable anywhere, anytime. Check it out through the link below. Introducing the professional 65-watt ultrasonic cutter knife. The precision tool that takes your cutting projects to the next level. With an incredible 40 kHz high-frequency vibration, this ultrasonic cutter glides effortlessly through tough materials like 3D print resin, dental models, carbon fiber, acrylic, and plastic with clean, precise edges and minimal effort. Whether you're into DIY projects, car modifications, or model crafting, this power-driven tool ensures professional-grade results without the hassle of manual trimming or deburring. Compact, efficient, and built for accuracy, it's the perfect upgrade for makers, designers, and hobbyists who demand precision and speed. Experience smoother, faster, and cleaner cuts every time. Check out the professional 65-watt ultrasonic cutter knife at the link below. Keep your home safe with the Camera Clock HD 4K wireless camera, a smart hidden security solution in plain sight. Featuring a 160-degree ultra-wide angle, motion detection, and night vision, it's perfect as a nanny cam or baby monitor for all-day protection. Check it out below. Stay dry and hands-free with the umbrella holder strap, the perfect accessory for your backpack. This wearable umbrella support mount securely holds most folding umbrellas, keeping you protected from rain or sun, while your hands stay free for hiking, cycling, or outdoor work. Easy to attach, lightweight, and fully adjustable, it ensures comfort and stability even during windy conditions. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or shooting videos outdoors, this clever gadget makes carrying an umbrella effortless. Stay comfortable and focused, rain or shine. Grab yours through the link below. Experience vintage style with modern performance using the wireless Typewriter mechanical keyboard. Featuring round punk keycaps, RGB backlight, and multi-device support, it's the perfect blend of nostalgia and tech. Check it out below. Say goodbye to sleepless nights with the Moby Lock magnetic nasal clip. Designed with soft silicone and gentle magnetic ends, this simple yet effective snoring solution helps open your nasal passages for smoother airflow and quieter breathing. Reusable and comfortable to wear, it's perfect for anyone who wants a peaceful, uninterrupted night's rest. With a pack of 12, you'll always have one ready to use. Breathe easier, sleep better, and wake up refreshed. Check out the Moby Lock magnetic nasal clip at the link below. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.